How we doing? Right, today's video is a quick review of a brew that I brewed a few weeks back. Basically it is one of these, make your own beer. This is a real ale. Basically it's a kit beer. Everybody's raving about how they are at B&M Bargains at $5.99, I think they were, or $4.99, I can't remember now, but I bought 4 of them. So basically it's a 20 litre, make up to 20 bottles, 500ml bottles. It comes with hops, a Columbus, Brewer's Gold, Hallertau. It's supposed to be a dark copper colour, 4.2% ABV, bitterness at 3 out of 5. So basically it's a kit, it comes with all the bits that you need. Let's do it, shall we? Get it out of the box. An extract, put the extract in it and that. So it comes with obviously some liquid malt extract, sugar, put in with it 500 grams, doesn't seem a lot. And also it comes with a pack of yeast, it just says real ale hops 10 grams, doesn't say what, obviously it says on the box what they are, so I assume they're all pre-mixed, and then the yeast, and obviously the box. So I brewed one, I did it as per instructions. Let's just put that back in there, because the wind will blow it away otherwise. Did it as per instructions, and the instructions were quite straightforward. Basically saying take notes of the kit's batch number, clean and sanitize everything, and then basically pour your malt liquid extract into a bucket, add a bit of boiling water to soften it up to get what's left in the packet, top up to 11.5 litres using cold water, which I did, and stick a fermenter strip on the side, which I didn't have, so it's not real there. That, put a lid on it, chuck a bit of yeast in it, put a lid on it, job's done. So we have one, and we don't have a bottle opener because I put it down somewhere. Okay. We now have bottle opener. Got 2, green father or just a cheap one. Right. That cap doesn't look like it's gone on properly to me. It's on the piss. So that'll be interesting then. Yeah, so contains real hot pellets. Apparently. That came off too easy. I might have to dump this one. Well done. That came off too easy. Let me go get another one. Well done, son. I got a feeling I didn't put that one through the capper properly. Yes, this one's more like it. So, did the kit, and it's saying on here it's supposed to come out at 4.2. Well, mine came out at about 3.8, so it's slightly off. That's better. You have to wait then, aren't you? Just playing on my Xbox. Bless him. Bit of an aggressive pour there. Didn't look like it was going to do much, and it hasn't. So we've got almost no head at all, bit of carbonation in there, not a massive amount. The colour is kind of like a amber look about it. Let's go for the taste test, shall we? Right. First things first. The kit costs $5.99. Okay. So I wasn't expecting great things from it, to be honest. And to be honest, I'm not getting great things from it. It's a bit thin. It's quite bitter. It says dark copper on there. Oh, that's definitely not dark copper. Well, maybe, who knows. I expect it to be a bit darker. A bit like the packet shows. It's quite thin. Bitter, yeah, there's quite a bit of bitter to it. So it's, yeah. You have to wait. Personally, it tastes like one of those cheap beers you get from your local supermarkets or their own brand ones. It costs like $1.99 for 4 cans. 3.8%. What are you going to do? You ain't going to get smashed on it, are you? Okay then. I got exactly 20 bottles out of it. You're getting the Columbus hops. I definitely say there's definitely a noticeable Columbus thing going on there. Preparing just 1 hour. It took me about 10 minutes, so I don't know where they got the 1 hour from. Is it value for money? Depends what you like, doesn't it? Me personally, I prefer doing the old grains. I got these because I was low on beer, and it's quick and easy. 10 minutes to do. Yeah, no, yeah, no, I don't know. They're alright, I suppose. I wouldn't. 20 bottles, you know, it's 10 litres in it for a £5, £6, whatever it was. Is it value for money? Yeah and no. If you short brew it, you're going to obviously end up with less bottles, just to get a better ABV on it. The instructions fairly simple, but say it's at 4.8 and I followed exactly as per instructions. It came out at 3.8 instead of 4.2. I feel that they're scrimping on the sugar because you're only getting 500 grams, and to be honest, anything like this you wang a bloody kilo in. But then again, that's why it's normally 40 bottles, so I see what they're doing. But it's cheap. It tastes like a crappy Green King IPA a little bit. And it ain't going to get a 10 out of 10 either. But if you want something quick and simple and you don't want to get, and you're not too fussed about what it tastes like, then go ahead and buy it. It's, you know, it can be tweaked, I'll say that. Because, well, yeah, needs tweaking, definitely. What I'm going to do, I've got 3 more of these. And I've got various hops that I've grown and collected all around wherever I've been. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do each different one with different hop, some wild hops, some of what I've grown, and see if you can make a crap kit into a decent kit just by adding different hops. Videos will follow eventually. So go out there, you get yourself 20 bottles of a cheap beer. It's ideal. If you're expecting something a little bit more along a better standard than that, then you'll be disappointed. But if you just want a quick crap cheap beer, go out there and buy it. If you want something decent like the Coopers or like that, some of the other major brands, it ain't nothing like that. It's cheap, cheerful, and that's it. That's all it'll ever be. About chucking money at it, and it ain't gonna happen. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 personally. Alright dudes, have fun, and I'll catch you all later.